Hi guys, let's make this sweet corn and avocado salad. Boil 1 cup of sweet corn for 3 to 5 minutes until it's soft. You can boil the corn while it's on the cob and then remove it after it's boiled. Whichever method you prefer, it's okay. Drain the corn and set it aside to cool. Let's prepare the other ingredients. Slice the cucumber into tiny cubes and add it to the bowl. Then chop half a red onion into small cubes and transfer it to the bowl as well. Chop a red bell pepper into small cubes and add it to the bowl. Cut the cherry tomatoes into quarters or thirds and add it to the bowl. Now since the corn has cooled, add it to the salad bowl as well and then add some coriander leaves. Mix that together until it's well combined. I'm using half an avocado, cut it into small cubes and then add it to the salad bowl. Mix it around gently to prevent the avocado from breaking down. Let's make the lemon salad dressing. To a mason jar, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of macadamia oil, mustard, salt, and black pepper. Shake the jar to emulsify until everything is mixed together perfectly. Add the dressing to the salad and mix it around. It's now ready to eat. You can have this salad as a snack or as a side to any meal. This salad is really delicious. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.